the decision of Chief Minister Siddaramaiah ji of hiking prices of petrol and diesel, this decision of the Congress government will cost dearly for the people of Karnataka. When the farmers were in great distress, it will affect the farmers also. And the prices of buses, taxis, autos, and every common man will be affected by the decision of the Congress government. See, when BJP government was in power, when we were out of power, Karnataka was revenue surplus. My question is, in just a span of 1 year, what went wrong with the present Congress government? Let me tell you one thing, because of the mismanagement of the present Congress government here in Karnataka, because of severe corruption here in Karnataka, we are facing a problem here. The financial situation is very bad in the state of Karnataka because of the mishandling of the situation by the Congress government and the Chief Minister Siddaramaiah himself. So, Bharatiya Janata Party, we are taking on to the streets. We are protesting against the decision of the Congress government against the increase of the taxes on petrol and diesel, and we are protesting across the state today. I urge Honorable Chief Minister of Karnataka to take back its decision of increasing taxes by petrol by 3 rupees and diesel by 3 rupees 50 paise. I urge the Honorable Chief Minister to roll back his decision.
कर्नाटक सरकार ने बिना सोच, बिना प्लानिंग, आधा अधूरा गारंटी जो लागू किया है, उसके कारण देश में सबसे ज़्यादा पेट्रोल और पेट्रोलियम प्रोडक्ट, पेट्रोल डीजल का दाम कर्नाटक में ज़्यादा हुआ है। देश में हर राज्य को माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने बार बार निवेदन किया था कि पेट्रोल का जो वैट है, स्टेट टैक्स को रिड्यूस करने के लिए बहुत ही राज्यों में किया है, लेकिन उल्टा कर्नाटक राज्य ने 2 बार ज़्यादा किया है। इसका एक तरफ पूरा कैस्केडिंग इफेक्ट है। मैं तो कह सकता हूं कि अभी इसके बाद ये जो के पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट का प्राइसेस भी बढ़ेगा, क्योंकि डीजल प्राइस बढ़ गया है, दूध का दाम बढ़ेगा, एसेंशियल कमोडिटीज का दाम बढ़ेगा। एल नीनो के कारण दुनिया के बहुत देशों में आज एक तरह का अकाल पड़ा है। ये अकाल के कारण एज इट इज भारत सहित दुनिया के बहुत देश, लास्ट टाइम देश के बहुत ही प्रदेशों में अकाल पड़ा था, दुनिया में पड़ा था, और जागतिक वार भी चल रहा है। एक तरह जागतिक वार भी चल रहा है, एक तरह इसराइल और हमास के बीच में चल रहा है, लेबनान हो इसमें इन्वॉल्व हो गया है, और इस तरफ रशिया यूक्रेन हो रहा है। इसके कारण प्राइस राइजेस सारे दुनिया में है। दुनिया के कंपैरिजन भारत में भी हुआ है, लेकिन दुनिया के कंपैरिजन में बहुत कम हुआ है। मोदी सरकार संवेदनशील के साथ ये प्राइस कंट्रोल में रखने के लिए बहुत ही कोशिश कर रहा है, लेकिन कर्नाटक सरकार ये दाम अचानक दोबारा बढ़ा दिया है।
Already because of implementation of the guarantee schemes, there is no amount, there is no financial position is good in the state exchequer. So they are spending a lot of amount for implementation of the guarantee schemes. For the day-to-day affairs, for development work and day-to-day for the payment of the salary of the employees and other things, there is no money in the khazana of the state government. For that purpose, they have taken the steps to burdenize the common people, middle class people, by increasing the diesel and petrol price. It is unreasonable. So even Congress MLAs started criticizing the guarantee schemes. Because of the guarantee schemes, free schemes, there is no money for the development work. For that purpose, they are insisting to withdraw that guarantee schemes on CM. So reconsider that aspect of the. We are not opposing guarantee scheme, but what is reasonability? And they think, Congress people think that because of guarantee schemes, they will win the Lok Sabha elections. But public only see the national leadership in the future nation's interest. Because of that, Narendra Modi's leadership has been accepted by the Karnataka people also. They are not attracted to the guarantee schemes. For that purpose, only for the election gain, they implemented this scheme. I think, looking into the insistence of the Congress MLAs, that Siddaramaiah, Chief Minister, may withdraw all the schemes. So you reconsider that aspect. But unless that you implemented, enhanced the price of the petrol and diesel, it is burdensome on people. And Bharatiya Janata Party already taken the agitation, call for the agitation, and in the statewide there will be agitation by the Bharatiya Janata Party. I insist Siddaramaiah government to withdraw this enhancement of the petrol and diesel price.